Hey lovelies, Madam Sophy here to do another makeup tutorial. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial using the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Neutrals eyeshadow palette. Now this palette has been on sale on the BH Cosmetics website and it is definitely a good steal. This palette is less than $20. I think it's between the $15 to $18 range and it has 42 colors. 42 colors, guys. It has more colors than the Morphe palette. Okay, so 42 colors, and I have it in the neutrals option. In the neutrals option, this is how the palette looks, and you have 42 shades. So 12 metallic shades, 8 shimmer shades, and you also have 21 matte shades. Now, when you receive this palette, I think I have the plastic, you get it somewhere around the place. But when you get this palette, you're going to get a plastic over it, and it's basically going to tell you which shades are shimmer, which shades are metallics, and which shades are matte. Okay, so I'm going to be doing a natural look using this palette. This palette is very versatile. I think anyone of every skin tone could use this palette. The other BH Cosmetics products I'll be using today is going to be the eyeshadow palette, the Neutrals eyeshadow palette. I will also be using the BH Cosmetics Glamorous Blush. Okay, I'm going to be using this palette, and I will also be using the Studio Pro Concealer. Okay, and I'll be using this color, the darkest color in this wheel. I'll be using this color right here for contouring. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be using. Now, I do not have a BH Cosmetics concealer, so today I am going to use the E.L.F Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey, and I will be using the MAC Cosmetics paint pot, the Pro Long White paint pot. That's what I'll be using to prime my eyes. Okay, so let's jump right in it. So this is the look. This is what it's looking like so far. I'm going to go into my bottom lash right now, and I'm just going to continue with this tear duct color. I'm going to go back in that same color, which is this one right here, and I'm just going to go in my bottom lash. This is how it's looking so far. I'm going to go ahead and add some foundation. For my foundation primer today, I'm going to use the NYX Born to Glow Illuminating Primer. I really want this look to have a natural look with a natural shimmer. So this is why I chose to use this primer instead of the regular primers I would normally use. Alright guys, so foundation's done, highlighter's done, blush is done. Now I am going to do my lips. So since I'd like this look to be on a natural side with a natural glow to it, I was thinking of doing maybe doing something with a combination of gloss. So to do that, I think I am going to go ahead and use this LA Colors Matte Liquid Lip Color. This is what I'm going to use on the outer part of my lips, and then I'm going to top that up with a lip gloss. Now I'm going to top up in the center part of my lips. I'm going to go ahead and use the Fenty Beauty lip gloss in the color Space Suit. This is what I'm going to use in the central part of my lips. I'm really enjoying the way this look turned out. This look is one that you could rock for work. I think this is an everyday natural look. Okay, so I added on some lashes, and the lashes I added on is from the Ardell collection, and this is the natural lashes from her collection. My take on the products that I use from BH Cosmetics, I really like the Glamorous Blush palette, because in this palette you have a collection of colors that you would use for almost every occasion. You have this really two neutral colors to pick from. Then you have these two neutral colors, but one is more on the peach tone and the other is more on the pink tone side, the light pink tone side. And then you have these really bright pinks over here. One is more on the purple side and the other one is really much on the bright pink side. In this row you have a strawberry looking color and a strawberry peachy looking color, if that makes sense. And you have a red color you could use here, as well as a burnt red color down here. Okay, today I use this color for blush, and it had a really good shimmer to it. Okay, for the BH Cosmetics Pro eyeshadow palette, this eyeshadow palette is really cute. If you are a makeup artist and you're really looking forward to starting up a makeup kit, or you'd like to pursue a career in makeup artistry, this palette is really good to get started, because you have 21 transition shades to choose from. In addition to that, you have 21 shimmer and metallic shades to choose from as well. This palette has not just a good collection of transition colors and shimmer colors with metallic colors, but the colors in this palette are very pigmented, especially the transition colors. They are very much on the pigmented side. The eyeshadows did have a buttery feel to it when I was using it on my brush, so it had a buttery texture to it. So I would say that with it having a buttery texture to it, then it made it very easy to blend in. And I'm really liking the price. Right now, I believe this eyeshadow palette is on sale for about $15 to $16 on BH Cosmetics, and I think it's a really good palette to have. The only downfall, the only con for me for this palette is it does not have a black. This is the darkest, oops. This is the darkest color in the palette. It is not a black, it is more like a brown, a really dark brown. So I just wanted to point that out. In addition to that, I also use the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Concealer. This is basically a color wheel, or a concealer in the form of a color wheel. And I wouldn't really say it's a concealer because you have an orange and you have a yellow. So you can kind of use this for color correction. I don't normally color correct my skin whenever I'm putting my foundation on. So I only used this color here. So this is the color I use for contouring my nose and my cheek area. And I was very much satisfied with the way I was able to apply this. Definitely this Studio Pro concealer wheel is good. Okay, so this is my take on the BH Cosmetics items that I used in this video. They are all Sophy approved. And I did not have a problem using any of these products. I was definitely moved by the way these products performed on my face today, especially the eyeshadow palette. And let me know, is this look going to be a natural look for you? Would you rock this natural look on a daily basis? Is that your style? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks to my subscribers. Thank you for the constant support. Thank you for the words of encouragement in the comment section of my videos. Thank you for tuning in, and thank you for your constant support. Definitely your support is very valuable to me, continuing what I'm doing here on YouTube. Okay, so that's gonna be it for today. Thank you. And I just want to remind you guys, those of you who are new here, subscribe. What are you waiting on? Bye.